Congruent triangles and past paper question examples. Here are 6 rules about congruent triangles that you must know to use and to prove your answer. Example number 1.
As we can see, the question is asking us about 2 triangles which are not on the diagram. So in order to understand, we are going to draw 2 lines which join them up. So now let's look at the diagram and analyze what is the same in the 2 triangles in order for them to be congruent. Since the triangles are parts of a square, the sides AD and DC are going to be equal, as well as the sides GD and DE. They're also going to be equal, as it is also part of one square. The angles GDC and ADE are going to be equal, as they both have a 90-degree angle of a square, and they both share the same unknown angle, which makes the sum of these the same. Therefore, these 2 triangles are congruent because of SAS, side, angle, side.
Example number 2.
ABC is an equilateral triangle. We are going to use the rule RHS. Here you can see that ADC is equal to ADB, and they're both equal to 90 degrees, which makes them perpendicular to the line BC. AB is equal to AC, which is just under the rule of the equilateral triangle. They share the same side AD, which makes them both the same size.
The sine rule is very simple. It is used for both unknown sides and angles. The idea is that when we divide a side by the sine of an angle A, it is equal to side B divided by the sine of angle B, and also equal to side C divided by the sine of angle C, or the other way around.
The cosine rule for triangles is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. You can rearrange the formula to find the angle of one side.
Cosine example. In this example, we have to find the side x. To do this, we have to use the cosine rule. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cos of a. We then replace the values. So a would be equal to x, and b would be equal to 7. C is 12, and a is 51 degrees. And then you just simply solve the equation, which will then give us 3.96 centimeters. Sine example. In this example, we have to find the angle x. To do this, we have to use the sine rule. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. We then replace the values. So the angle A is equal to x, the side A is equal to 5, the angle B is equal to 53, and the side B is equal to 7. Then you just simply solve the equation, which then gives us 34.8 degrees.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed our video.